basically, Ubuntu provides two options for installing the operating system. One is using Vubi, that is, you can install it as an application in Windows. So I'm gonna demonstrate you how to use Vubi. Just run vubi.exe from the installation media, then a screen will pop up. So here is the screen. It's a Windows installer for Ubuntu systems. So select your drive and select your installation size, how much you are gonna give to Ubuntu systems. Then give a username and then give a password for. I'm giving a password for my systems. After giving the desired password, just install. Press on install and Ubuntu will be installed. Ubuntu will be installed into your system just like you installing a software in Windows platform. So but I'm gonna show you how to install Ubuntu into a specific hardware partition. So load your installation medium and restart your system and change the boot option from the BIOS menu. I'm in the BIOS setup now. Change the boot device priority from here. I'm setting the first boot device as CD-ROM. I'm using a CD-ROM here. If you're using a floppy drive or flash drive, then use it as your first boot device and save the changes, then exit. So here's the installation wizard for Ubuntu. Okay, then the wizard has been started. Here you can select your desired language. I'm selecting English. There are two options. That is, first one is try Ubuntu and the second one is install Ubuntu. If you press on this try Ubuntu button, then you can use Ubuntu as a virtual OS. That is, you can use Ubuntu as a live OS. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna install Ubuntu. I'm clicking install Ubuntu. And now click on continue button. Here comes the next window. Here Ubuntu is checking for the available drive space. At least 4.3 GB of space is required for Ubuntu installation, that is Ubuntu 12.04 installation. And then the next option is internet connection. I don't have an internet connection right now, so it's a arrow mark here. Then there's an option called download updates while installing. If you have an internet connection, then click on the option that is download updates while installing. Otherwise just leave it. Then below that there is another option called install third-party softwares. So here comes the next window which discusses about the installation types. Two options are provided here. That is, first one is erase disk and install Ubuntu. That is, all the data in your hardware will be erased and Ubuntu will be installed as a fresh OS. And the second one is something else where you can resize your partitions or select a specific partition to which Ubuntu should be installed. If your system has Windows OS, then one more option will be displayed here. That option will be install Ubuntu along with Windows. You can click on that and press continue, but here I'm just selecting something else and clicking continue button. In this new window, the available hardware partitions in your system will be shown. Right click on the partition in which you want to install Ubuntu. I'm just double clicking on this partition. Then set it as ext for general file system. Then in the mount point give a slash here, or otherwise you can choose it from the options, that is slash, which means that mount it as a root folder. Then click on OK. Then now press the install now button. It is advised that you create a swap partition. That is, swap space is the virtual memory area used by Linux systems. The memory of Ubuntu consists of the physical RAM and this virtual swap area. It is advised to give twice the amount of RAM you have for normal usages. If you have more free space left in your hard drive, then click on the space left and resize it with twice the amount of RAM module you have, and change the mount point as swap and click OK. Now here comes another window where Ubuntu asks you to select the time zone. I'm selecting India. I'm from India, so then click on continue button. Then select the keyboard layout you want. I'm selecting English US. Then press continue. The files are being copied, that is, installation is going on. So now you have to give a name, that is your name. Here I'm team follow, so I'm giving the name. Then your computer name, give a computer name here, then give a username here, then you need to type a password for your system. So after giving password, click on these options. If you want a password for login, then press this button. Or else you want to login automatically, then click on login automatically, and then you can press the continue button. Now a slider, here comes a slider which goes to various aspects of the Ubuntu operating system, that is various features of the Ubuntu operating system has been discussed through these sliders. So the files are being copied. It's almost finished. If you have any questions related to Ubuntu or how to work with Ubuntu, you can always go to their support portal, that is ubuntu.com/support. Now the system is being installed. So the installation is completed now. Click on restart now and boot into the world of Ubuntu. If you have any doubts related to the installation of Ubuntu, please visit our tech portal go.foldos.com. There also we have published a tutorial about the installation of Ubuntu. Write down your doubts and feedback in the comment section. We will surely help you. Thanks for watching the video. Now do it yourself and spread the word. Dreams never die. And also support us.